Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Lila Ike delivered at the Johnny Walker finale event for its 2022 series. The premium whiskey brand gave patrons a show to remember last night at the Villa Vista Caymanas Polo Club. Lila Ike, who performed over the weekend at the Burna Boy Love Damini Tour, was the special guest performer.
Working towards my whole life, give thanks for opening eyes. Reverence and strength and life and then peace of mind. People I provide, give thanks every time and every. Listen, I know you guys know this one. Can I hear everybody in unison right now? Come on. When I think I feel and say, come on,
she gave us some insight on her future plans.
Well, I just recently released like a song called Dinero. Kind of more dancehall side. Had it for a while and decided no, Christmas time people feel hopeful. It's a good time to put it out. Before that I released a song called Wanted and I'm currently working on my album.